Elizabeth Warren on Thursday blamed Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and lawmakers who enabled him for relaxing regulations that she said led to Silicon Valley Bank's collapse last week. The second-largest bank collapse in U.S. history prompted the U.S. government to protect all depositors, including those over the FDIC's $250,000 limit. Warren made her comments during a Senate Finance Committee hearing on President Joe Biden's fiscal year 2024 budget. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen appeared before the committee Thursday. "I am grateful for the administration's steady hand, but we shouldn't have had to be here in the first place," Warren initially said before taking aim at Powell and lawmakers on both sides of the aisle for lifting regulations enacted in the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis. These bank failures were the direct result of policymakers' decisions over the last 5 years, beginning with the 2018 law signed by President Trump with the support of both parties to weaken the regulations that had been put in place after the 2008 financial crisis to ensure big banks never again crash our economy. Warren then unloaded on Powell, who the senior senator from Massachusetts accused of shredding banking rules intended to protect small and mid-size banks from the scenario that unfolded last week at SVB. "Over the last few days, we have heard a lot of Republicans say this collapse wasn't their fault, that it was the banking regulators who were asleep at the wheel, and believe me, I have questions for a lot of the banking regulators, but Congress handed Chair Powell the flamethrower that he aimed at the banking rules. In fact, he said so himself," Warren said. The progressive Democrat urged